that this law is the continuation and not the end of our efforts to stand up against cheating and corruption in the sporting and athletic arena. I have repeatedly emphasized that Kenya is 100% committed to ensure total compliance with our international regulations on sports and athletics, be they set by WADA, the IAF, or the International Olympic Committee, or any other international organization for that matter. We are committed to ensuring that our athletes compete by the book, because we believe that across the board, Kenyans are more than able to win fairly. We don't need anything to win. We can win fairly. Cheating in any form or fashion is a disservice to the potential of our players and the aptitude of our athletes, and I want to affirm that I believe that this country and our country's athletes, I personally am confident that we do not need to take any shortcut to win. And that is why we will fully support the realization of a national anti-doping organization. That is why we will seek to ensure that it is equipped in every way to fulfill its mandate. Today, I am confident that WADA will look upon the passage of our anti-doping law favorably as a sign of our unwavering commitment as a nation to meeting the highest of international standards. Yet even as our national leadership takes these necessary steps to compliance, I also want to urge you, our athletes and sportsmen and women, to hold themselves in the highest possible code of conduct. I know that many of you do, and I know that the few cases of cheating that we have encountered in the past are not a reflection on the integrity of our athletes and sportsmen and women. Yet the world will indict us as a country based on the individual breaches of each athlete and each national team. Those who show contempt for the law will be punished. That applies not just to individual athletes and players, but to teams too, and also to those who engage in supporting that illegal activity. I want to specifically single out the Football Federation, which was recently accused of fielding overage players. This kind of issue is simply unacceptable for a federation of its caliber, and let us not sugarcoat it. It is called cheating. It is breaking the rules. And if the federation does not know the rules, then the federation cannot be called anything other than careless. It is deeply regrettable that the action of the federation led to our disqualification of our team from the Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers. At the end of the day, the people who suffer in these scenarios are the sportsmen and women who lose opportunities, the fans who are millions of Kenyans who support them, and also our children who look up to them as role models. So I urge the Federation to recoup their image and to remain vigilant in ensuring that they toe legal line.